Hi, my name is Ruth Donnelly from Coachwood Nursery in Somersby, New South Wales, Australia. We grow some really different succulents here. This particular plant is Orostachys. Normally it is a very flat, standard sort of looking succulent. It's not all that interesting at first, but when it starts to flower, it emerges from a button in the centre of the little rosette, and it just grows into this amazing giant flower. These break open to white flowers all up and down the stem. The bees love them, and it's just one of those quirky, unusual succulents that we love, and we'd like to share them with you one day. We have a nursery in a rural area of Australia, and we live on 15 acres, and I'd like to share with you some of the flowering succulents that we have at the moment. This particular Starfish Flower is just incredible. It has quite an aroma, which is quite pungent because the flies are attracted to it and the flies pollinate it. So this is a Stapelia, and you can get them in all different colours and sizes. This particular one has a burgundy colour flower. So here's another one here. This Stapelia is very dwarf, compact, and it has a smaller flower, and it springs open to a gorgeous two-tone cream and brown flower. So they're quite amazing. The closer you look at them, they're just incredible. And so they come in all different shapes and sizes. As we're talking about flowers, let's have a look at this particular flowering euphorbia. It flowers nearly all year round. It's well known, this particular one, but I'm featuring it this morning because it's just got the most incredible long-lasting flowers. They just stay and stay and stay. It loves full sun, and it's just so beautiful, and you can get them in lots of different colours again. Talking about flowers as well, with this plant here, this is an aloe. It's a fairly compact aloe. It's not going to grow much bigger than that. And aloes normally have a bright orange or red flower. Some of them are cream. This particular one has a two-tone green and orange bud, and it opens up and retains quite a lot of the green. So it's very unusual, and it's quite long-lasting flower as well. So you can see this flower stalk is finished. We normally cut it off after that. This one's halfway through its flowering, this one's just starting, and that one has just been going for about a week. So you'll get about a month or two of gorgeous flowers when the aloes are in season.